And we're back to learning CapCut in a year. Let me show you the character and line adjustments. We'll add a default text here. At the top, there's a text option, add text, click on plus sign. Let me just call it example and I'll size it a little bit up. Haven't yet talked about character and line right here. Character is simply a manual kerning option, so it can adjust the distance between the letters. It's going to get bigger with plus values and smaller with negative values. There's also line adjustments. For that to work, I'll just press enter here in the box and add example 2. And you can see this simply the distance between the lines that you've got inside of the specific text box. But what if you wanted to have a different character distance here between, for example 1 and example 2? Where you can't just select one line and do it. This is currently not possible in CapCut. What you have to do instead is let me delete our text element here and I create 2 new ones. First one I call example 1 and I drag a little bit upwards. Second one I call example 2. And now you can adjust these 2 text elements one by one. Obviously the line adjustment doesn't work then anymore, but you can adjust the distance between these lines, so example 1 and 2, by left clicking and dragging on them in a preview window. And these are the character and line adjustments in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.